Hi everyone, want to use a Threads by Instagram like a pro? In this video, I'll show you a hidden tips and tricks Meta doesn't tell you, so you can stand out, grow fast, and dominate the feed. Let's get started. Number one tip is use the first 100 characters wisely. Only the first 100 characters show in the feed preview. Make your first sentence scroll stopping with a hook or question like this example here. Then, here in the tip 2, you can master the quote feature. Don't just reply. Quote threads and add the context. Great for adding opinions, humor, or resharing your own older post. This boosts the visibility and encourages engagement. Then for the tip 3, you can use a threads as a microblog. You can drop a full idea in multiple connected threads like Twitter threads and start a strong opener, then reply to yourself for each part. Then makes your content sticky and keep people reading. And you can start a niche specific series like daily business tip number 1, AI tools I use today, and more. You can use a consistent hashtag or emojis in the title for branding. And reply often, quote others, and tag users in your niche. Don't just post. Start a conversation. And most people don't know you can post to threads from a browser at threads.net, and it's better for formatting and equals to better productivity. Now you know how to use the threads like a pro. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and follow for more social media tips. Thanks for watching.